is Candace, and I'm the owner of OMG That's Creative, where we sell party favors and treats for every occasion. So over in TikTok, I did have a few people ask me how to upload fonts into Canva. So I'm going to make it quick and easy for you. So we are on the home page of Canva. If you go to the left hand panel, you can go to Brand Kit. Then scroll up a little bit, you'll see uploaded fonts. Alright, now if you don't have your fonts in a folder like me, all you have to do is type in fonts in the search bar. Then it's going to give you the selection of fonts that you currently have on your computer. So I'm going to upload I Love Glitter. Open. Now it's want you to confirm that you have access to uploading this font. So I'm going to select yes. Now I'm going to create a design because I'm going to show you where it's found on the other side. So create a design. We're just going to do a custom size. So on the left hand panel, select text. I'm just going to select add a heading. I'm going to type in the word hello. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Go to the drop down menu, then scroll up, and then here you'll see all your uploaded fonts. I uploaded I Love Glitter, and there you go. And that is it, guys.